Happy Friday. Is that too dark? Hold on, let me get y'all some light. I don't have no light. I gotta give me one of those lights up under this thing. Get out of the way, thing. I know that seems dark because this bread is like dark. Dark. Wait a minute. Hold on. Something happened. We'll go with that. All right. Jump in, jump on, and jump off. That's fine. Wow, this is a whole teaspoon. Oh my God. I'm gonna add that to my butter there. All right, whole teaspoon. I'm trying to do a little bit of quick vanilla, just some frosting for this. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my squares out, just place them on a plate, and I'm gonna just drizzle that frosting on it. Look, I am not that creative, honey. Let me tell you. Okay, I'm back. Hello, everybody. Kiki, Goodrum, Taylor D, you over there starting mess. Oh, D Lee, hey, what's up? Sheldon, what's up? All right, so 1.5 cups of confectioner sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of milk. A teaspoon of vanilla went in there with a teaspoon of melted butter. So I just got to put some milk in here. Then I'm going to put my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients. I'm learning. What is it? 2.5 teaspoons of milk. 1, 2.5. Yeah, that's a tablespoon. So that's enough. That's enough. I added too much. All right, so let me get that kind of whisked up there. We have to add some more sugar if it does too much. And I think I just put this together. I mean, that's the ingredients, okay? Let's see what homeboy is telling us to do here.
Mix this together.
What is he mixing in there? Oh, he put all that in there.
But you want it to be thick.
Why do you want it to be
We're
thick?
going to add all the milk in at one time. Now
Oh, Lord.
Another tablespoon of milk.
I need a bigger bowl. Where's my bowl?
And this looks like about right.
Oh, that's coming together nicely, honey.
Now mix this until it's really smooth.
I'm moving it out of the way. So here's the finished product of our gingerbread. So that's what I like. I don't like doing cookies because, I just like to cut in little squares and leave them around for people to eat.
See, it's
Still looking good, though. What'd you say? No, it's because of... Oh, the plate is making it like that. There it is. Okay. Thank you, light specialist. And +2 because it's all this white background. Okay. Oh, man, that's coming together real quick. Let me go back because his look a whole lot more professional than mine.
Pound cake here.
Oh, look at that pound cake. That's what I'm dying to do next, y'all. Look at there. Icing. He's using his little whisk. Let me get my whisk out. I thought he said add some more milk. Didn't he say add more milk? Let's taste it. Oh, that's good. I thought he said add some more milk.
Pound cake here. You want this to be, but you want it to be thick. So that's why we're not going to add all the milk in at one time.
Duh. Now he tell me not to add all the milk in at one time.
Milk. Mix it. And this looks like about right. Mix this until
Sorry, guys. My pie is making it so dark in here. My bread. Oh, wait. I still missed it. Talking to y'all.
So you want it to be kind of thick.
So I can add a little bit more milk just to thin this out a little bit.
mix this together. You want this to be pourable, but you want it to be thick. So that's why we're not going to add all the milk in at one time. Now add another tablespoon of milk. Mix it. And this looks like I got it right.
Now mine looks like his. But should it be thicker?
We'll mix this until it's very smooth. So you want it to be kind of thick.
I don't know that I want mine to be that thick.
See, it's still.
Mine's not doing what his is doing.
So now
Mine might be a little too thin. That's about right.
just
It's coating.
this all over your cake.
I put too much milk in mine.
And when you
And I don't want to go back and try to add any more sugar. So we're going to go with that.
lay your spoon across your hands.
All right, so what I want to do now, I was trying to let this cool off, but I'm going to just go ahead and get me some squares out of here.
Now we're gonna let this set for a few minutes, just so it can kind of harden up a little bit. And then you can slice into it and serve it how you desire.
Ooh, he said slice it how you desire it, honey. Slice it how you desire it, honey.
I hope you guys find this helpful. Please do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And there you have it, gingerbread. Gingerbread, baby, baby. Hey, Norm. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take my squares. Hot squares. See if I can get my squares on here. And just get my squares on the plate. Now, isn't this a lot different, more moist than this brick of a cookie? So just remember, if you're trying to make gingerbread out there, do not use the recipe. If you want to eat it, don't use the recipes for the building blocks. All right, see how thick that is? So you want to make sure that you use a cookie recipe, but use the same spices that they used in the thing. But like if you really want to like eat it and enjoy it, you enjoy the spices of it, the flavor of it. I gotta give it a taste. So you see like that, nice and chewy. Can y'all see that? Ooh, look at that, nice and chewy, ooey gooey gingerbread. And again, guys, I am an absolute amateur. Absolute amateur. First time in my life making this and trying these recipes. Don't be running around talking about DryerBuzz is a chef and an expert and got a cooking show and all that other stuff. Nah, baby. I am just enjoying my kitchen. Coming into the kitchen. And let me see where I want to put this. I guess I got to keep stacking it. I just found that I like trying out recipes. And I have not had the opportunity to be in the kitchen like so in a very long time. You know, the work, the grind, going after this, that, and the other, raising kids and so forth. Just hadn't had a chance to do it. And so now, here I am. So basically what I want to do is just kind of, like he just did. Okay, I might need to, I just want to kind of pour it over that. Ooh, look at there, look at there. Okay, yeah, it looked weird. My icing wasn't as thick enough, but it still tastes good. Look at that. Oh, gingerbread brownie. Oh, heck, yes. Yes. Oh, that's good. It's got the cookie flavor. I need something to put it on. It's got the cookie flavor. It's got the chewiness and gooiness on the inside. Now it has the sweetness of the icing. The molasses and it's got molasses in it. It's got the vanilla in there. That's pretty good. I may have to double back on my icing. My icing went all the way to the bottom. I may have to do the icing. Oh my God, this is sweet though. Oh my God, that's sweet. I may have to come back with some more icing. My icing went like all over it and straight to the bottom of the plate. But we did it, y'all. Can't say we didn't do it. So we've got our little gingerbread man. And we've got us some gingerbreads. Look, gingerbread man, you got to stand up. Stick with the program. This is good. And see, I like this. Let me get my hand. My hands are sticky. Hold on. And see, I have found that my family likes not just bake something, just leave it on the stove. Just leave it on the stove. Look at that. Y'all see that? Doesn't that look good? My little gingerbread man. Look, both of them falling at the same time. Go. There you go. You fired. You fired. You fired, gingerbread man. Where my snowman at? Snowman, come on over here. Give me a snowman. There you go. Snowman, you get over there in the icing. There you go. Look, he fired too. All right, I hope y'all had fun these last 2 days. If you didn't see the big time blooper video of us trying to learn how to make something yesterday, go watch that video. This one, I came back after making gingerbread men with the wrong recipe. This is actually edible. That right there, you can't eat that. Hold on, let me get my screen cleared out so I can see everybody. So what you want to do, on this one, I used a chewy cookie recipe, but added in the spices that go along with the gingerbread. These right here, or this particular dough, was for those who are going to make gingerbread houses. So both of those are out there, and I shared those videos. This one, I just went back to the chewy cookie recipe in the book, and then just added in the spices and so forth. And I'm telling you, I think that is good. I'm going to enjoy it, and the family's going to enjoy it. And then again, I just cut it in squares. I want to just put it on the stove. They can have it for dessert. They can come in, grab one, and go, and so forth, and so on. So I feel I got to perfect the icing. I didn't do so good with the icing. Great job. Looks good. Very oh, definitely moist. Definitely moist. That was not a problem whatsoever. But you know, just learning the two between the batter and the cookie dough gave me the brownie, kind of a gingerbread brownie. I like, it's a cookie dough, but I don't like making cookies. I like having squares because I think the family enjoys that better. I enjoy it better. But this particular one is for if you're going to make gingerbread houses or ornaments. Like, that's an ornament. That's something that's probably going to outlive me because that sucker is a brick. That's ginger brick. The difference between ginger bricks and gingerbread. All right. On that note, guys, I'm going to hit the stop button. And conversation will continue in the chat. Please go over and like the YouTube channel. I do take these videos, even though we long time live stream. I do take the videos and make like a 1 minute to 2 minute video. For those of you that want to try and duplicate any of these recipes on my YouTube channel, go over there to YouTube, just do DryerBuzz. And that'll be over there. And again, the YouTube channel is not me as an expert. It's like, hey, listen, this is what happened when I tried this recipe. And I just tried to dial back the ginger bricks into some gingerbread, and very pleased with it. And first of all, honey, Ashley is a chef, and she's talking about something. It look moist. Hey, I'm doing good. All right, guys, bye.